Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is November, and just saying that out loud is quite wild to me. I can't believe it. It's snowing today for the first time in upstate New York, and it seems really early and very cold, and I'm not ready for it. But with that being said, November is going to bring some changes to my channel, and one of them is going to be that I'm hoping you guys want this. I'm bringing IPSY unboxings to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, then you wouldn't know this, but I am a BOXYCHARM unboxer, and I have received a few IPSY boxes in the past, and I've just never got on camera and done a proper unboxing until this point. But recently I have kind of asked you guys on my Twitter if it's something that you would want to see, and I got a lot of positive feedback. So I kind of want to start unboxing both on my channel. If you guys like the idea of me unboxing IPSY, then please give this video a thumbs up and I'll know to continue doing them. But we're going to start out with the IPSY for November, the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So forgive me if I make any mistakes in this video. This is my first time experiencing IPSY. I literally know what I've Googled maybe once or twice. Now I'm looking at the website. For those of you who are like me and you're new to this, you have multiple options. Just like with BOXYCHARM, there are 3 tiers. So you can do IPSY Glam Bag, which is the traditional one that I knew about. It is $12 for 5 deluxe samples. So that's something that a lot of people criticize, and I'm not a mega fan of receiving samples in a box. But then there's Glam Bag Plus, which is the same kind of branding as BOXYCHARM. It's $25 for 5 full-size items. So that's a little bit better than what Glam Bag used to be, in my opinion. All right, so forgive me, I already had to do a little bit of research, but the 3rd tier is Glam Bag Ultimate, which seems to be kind of similar to BOXYLUXE. It's that luxurious top tier, and I believe it's $50. You get 8 full-size items and 4 sample size items. Now here is the box that I have in front of me. Now this is where it might get a little bit confusing for me, and that is because I think that there's the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus in this box. I don't think this is the Glam Bag Ultimate because I don't think there's 8 full-size items, but we're just going to dive in here and I'm going to show you guys what I got because this is a first. There's a first time for everything, and I hope you guys don't mind. Okay, so this little bag right here I think is the Glam Bag because there's 5 deluxe size samples in here. And then in here I think this is the Glam Bag Plus because there are 6 items. Technically there's more than 6 because there's like packs in here, but it comes with a drawstring bag in the bottom, so I think that's Glam Bag Plus. I think this is a really cute makeup bag. I have become, just because of my job, the makeup bag gifter because I get a lot of makeup bags in PR and I just give them to everyone. So I think they do make really good gifts if you guys have a lot of them from this subscription. But this one in particular I think is really trendy right now and I like it. So let's unzip her and see what's in here. So first up we have an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and it does look like a mini size. It's in the shade Moon Jelly. I don't know if I have a full size of this in my collection or not, but let me open it up. So here is Moon Jelly. Please don't mind my nails, I can't be bothered. It's a sheer gloss with an iridescent glitter in it, and I don't know if I have it in my collection or not, to be honest with you. But this is definitely a decent sized gloss to throw in your purse. I'm not a mega fan of iridescent shifts, so I probably will be gifting this. We have the Sugar Rush by Tarte Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. So this is something that I definitely don't have in my collection already. This is called Fresh Pressed, I think is the color. So let's pop this open. I love a good lip treatment. I'm not sure, but this might be full size. I don't think that it would be any bigger than this. Ooh, this smells really good. And this feels really nourishing too. So I'm excited to have this. I actually don't have anything from Sugar Rush by Tarte. I think it's like a sister brand or like an under brand kind of thing. Next up, this is definitely a deluxe sample. This is small. This is the Eyeko London Rock Out Lash Mascara. And I don't mind trying out like deluxe sample mascaras because I am so picky about my mascara. I prefer to try a small one, and then if I love it, I'll buy the full size. Here's what the wand looks like. Definitely different with that big ball at the end of the brush, and then it has a kind of tapered middle. I don't have a lot from the brand Eyeko, so it's nice to discover things that I haven't tried before too in a subscription box. And then it looks like we have 2 skincare items, and I've been heavy into skincare lately, so I'm not mad at either of these. We have the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, which I do have a travel size of this already. It's the perfect size to throw in a travel bag, and it does last a little while, so this deluxe size isn't that small. So that's a makeup remover cleanser. And then we have the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. This is a cute little sample. Ooh, it smells so good. I love bananas. So this is actually really nice because if I love it, then I'll go ahead and pick up the full size. So I would say if you did purchase the Glam Bag, you definitely got your money's worth with $12 because you got that full size Tarte product, the Tatcha, which is really expensive, Anastasia, Glow Recipe, and this little mascara. So first impression, I think that's actually a really good deal. And I know that sometimes samples suck, but these are not sucky samples. So that was the little bag, and then we have the rest of the box, which I think is the Glam Bag Plus. The main difference I'm seeing with this box is that there isn't a sheet with all of the values on it, but I think if you are a member, you have access to that on your profile. And I think like BOXYCHARM, you can select certain items for your box every month too, but because this is sent in PR, I don't have control over that. So that's something important to note to you guys. If you are new to my unboxings, I don't necessarily have a say in what I get, but you guys will if you guys are signed up. So here's the drawstring bag. This is really cute as well. It has the same color story, the same design as the little bag, but I honestly prefer the little bag. This is something I'm not really sure if I would use in my day-to-day life. I guess if I'm like giving my friend a bunch of makeup stuff, I can throw it in here. Or what I like to do with these little drawstrings is put my hair extensions in them if I am traveling somewhere. But not my favorite. I definitely like the little cosmetic bag better. So we have a brush set in here. It has 5 brushes, and I'm definitely going to be giving this away. I've had an overload of brushes lately, but I will say they look like really nice fluffy blending brushes. They're from the brand F.A.R.A.H. And actually what I'm going to do with these brushes and products that I already have from this unboxing is pop them into my holiday giveaway. So stay tuned for that. I'm probably going to announce it on my community tab or maybe in a future video towards the end of November. I have a lot building up for that giveaway, so I will pop these in there so that they go to someone who will use them. I have an overload of brushes lately. Next up is a really interesting product. It's from the brand Trèstique. It's called Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara, and it's in the shade Icelandic Black Lacquer. So let me pop this open. So I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. It has a curler in the cap, and the rest of it I think is a mascara. So hopefully you guys can see, but you flip this side of it down like this and you curl your lashes before you apply your mascara. So this is actually like really innovative and kind of cool. I definitely am going to be giving this a try. And the wand actually looks really promising. It looks like a wand I would typically go for. How cool would this be if you're like in a pinch and you really need to curl your lashes and apply mascara? I like that. I wonder how much these retail for. I will leave the values, if I can find them, next to the products in the description box for you guys. So next up is a product from Somerville, a high-end skincare brand. And this is called the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Super cute packaging, and I've never tried this before either. This looks like something you would definitely see on somebody's skincare shelfie on Instagram. I have really dehydrated skin, so I go through moisturizer quite quickly. It just smells kind of spa-like, but it looks like a very like thin moisturizer. It doesn't look too thick. So I will definitely give this a try, and I'm excited to see Somerville. We've seen this brand in BOXYCHARM as well, but I've never seen this product before, so that is really cool. Next up, there's a big brush in here, a big face brush. This is from the brand MOTD, Makeup of the Day. And it's called a Perfect 10. It's a nice fluffy makeup brush with a rose gold ferrule. Very pretty, very soft. This reminds me of way back when I first tried Morphe brushes. They had a rose gold collection, and I actually still have some of them from that collection. But it feels really nice and heavy, good quality. Again, I've never heard of the brand MOTD or Makeup of the Day before, but I like this and I think it'd be good in my collection. Just pop on that powder and maybe even contour and blush with this. It reminds me of the Real Techniques what was that called? The Real Techniques powder brush, maybe? I used to use it to contour all the time. It has the same kind of shape as that. Next up, we have a pack in here that has 3 lipsticks in it, and these are from the brand F.A.R.A.H. These are the matte liquid lipsticks, the matte Voss liquid lip pigments. So let me open this up. So I have the shades Cocoa, Farah, and Tiffany, and they do look like they're all kind of deeper red shades. So here are the shades. There's actually a brown, a red, and then more of a pinky nude. They just kind of look a little different than the colors on the packaging. So here they are. They're not fully dried down or anything, but you can see they really pack a pigment, and they have really nice applicators too. The applicator is like that long double-sided doe foot, which I really, really like. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the one that you can probably guess that I would mostly wear, and that is Tiffany. I do have a little bit of that lip oil treatment on, but hopefully it doesn't affect it too much. Very bold, very pretty color. Hopefully it's able to dry down even though I have that lip oil on. And last up, we have a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. So it says it's a 6-color shadow and pressed pigment palette, but I don't see a name on it anywhere. Here is what it looks like. It's a coral and neutral palette. I don't see a name, but if I had to guess, it's probably coral related with these coral shades, but I'm a big fan of Violet Voss also. I do have a couple palettes from their line, and let's go ahead and swatch because why not? So I honestly think I'm a little bit more impressed by the $12 glam bag than I thought I would be. And overall, both tiers really impressed me, but I think I was a little more impressed by that $12 bag, to be honest with you. Just because for me, I'm used to seeing a little bit more of like high-end familiar brands in BOXYCHARM. That would be my main critique. But there's nothing wrong with discovering new brands either. To each their own. I think if you're more comfortable with brands found in Ulta and Sephora, then maybe try BOXYCHARM. But that is going to be it for my first ever IPSY unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like to see them monthly, and hopefully I will be able to return with the December box. But let me know if you guys subscribe to IPSY what you got in your box or bag this month. I would love to hear it, and hopefully I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.